Hi, it's Peter Granger here. As you can see, I'm at the Connected Industries booth, and I've shown lots of demonstrations here. I was particularly intrigued by this one here, Smart Connected Vehicle. And so I want to find out more about this. I'm with Brian McGlynn. I'm with Babu. Can you tell us a little bit? What are you showing here?
Well, we are part of the Connected Industries BU, and I'm leading the machine-to-machine, and one of the top vertical is a vehicle, connected vehicle, and we are very excited to bring the first Cisco connected vehicle solution for fleet management, and this provides a centralized cloud-based monitoring and management of the fleet and its assets in the fleet. And Brian here with me can talk a little bit more about it.
Hi Peter, yeah, so we're just demonstrating here Ruban Cloud Management for fleet management. So this solution here is integrated very tightly with Cisco 819 M2M ISR, and what you can see here on the screen,
that's like a ruggedized router, yeah?
Exactly, yeah. So we have here the management solution in the cloud. You can see it's a GIS mapping system.
I can see some vehicles here.
Exactly.
And I can see some video cameras, and there's some info coming in on a particular Volvo V10. This is San Jose. This is near where I live.
Exactly. So I travelled over here from the UK, and what we're showing here is vehicles. When you click on the vehicle, you can get the telematics of the vehicle. So you're looking at engine, oil, tyre pressure, everything within the vehicle. You can also look at telematics information in terms of signal strength, because this is all over 3G, 4G. So further, you can drill in and get detailed maps and information. I can just demonstrate here. We're showing engine coolant over time. So for the last month, you can see your engine, your fuel, so miles per gallon, engine load.
So you're getting a lot of information from the vehicles, and this is not something that a lot of people know that Cisco's really involved with. Where do we go from here?
We are looking to productize this and bring it to the Cisco sales, and also through our service provider channel. So we are looking to engage with service providers and also the large retail who has a lot of fleet, and we want to do a proof of concept with them and then roll this to the market. And we think we can transform the whole fleet industry and connected vehicle industry.
Babu and Brian, many thanks.
Thanks, Peter.
Very exciting. Looking forward to it.
Thank you, Peter.
Have a great show.
Cheers.